How to add emojis in Buffer. So first, make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you're here, just simply go to the Publish tab. So right here at the top, then just simply click on New Post here on the right side. So click on it and this will pop up. Then click the emoji icon within the Post Composer window. So as you can see right here, select emoji, just simply click on that and you will see the library of emojis available right here. So just browse or use the search bar to find the emoji that you want. You can also scroll down to see all of the emojis available, or you simply click on the categories of emojis right there. So let's say I want to use the thumbs up emoji. So I'm just going to hover to it and click on it. And as you can see, it will automatically be added to our post right there. So you can add more emojis if you want. You just simply need to go back to the emoji window right here or the emoji selector. And that is how you basically add emojis in Buffer.